What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Donovan, and quick little intermission before the video start. I just want to let everyone know that I did start a Patreon, link in the description, where I will be dropping premium presets and plugins, and the prices will be very fair, so don't worry about spending outrageous number just to get a preset or a plugin or whatever. But if you have the means to support, then just go to the link in the description. And right now I only have one thing up, which is the industry standard presets, and it's still a pretty good buy. It's only like $20, so yeah. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, YouTube, this video is gonna be a little weird because my audio got fucked up during recording, and I don't feel like re-recording this video, so let's get into it. So today I'm gonna be giving y'all my Cash COBAIN / Sexy Drill preset, right? And this preset come with like 4 or 5 things. It comes with a main vocal and 3 side chains with a ad-lib also. The ad-lib is also a layer preset that I use, so you can use it to layer your shit and it sounds good. But what you're gonna need to acquire or use these presets to the fullest potential is Waves bundle and Antares Auto Tune bundle, or the specific plugins, which is Antares Duo, and for Waves I think is NS1 Stereo and Siblings Live Stereo. But I say you just download the bundle and it'll save you a lot of time, because searching for like separate plugin cracks is just a fucking headache. So first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the dry box. Everything dry, no layers, no fakes, no nothing, right? You wanna clear up my feelings, then I move on, and that's the problem with me. Man, cause I move to a bitch that you got problems with, ain't no problem with me. Usually I pop my shit, but lately I feel like they been following me. I've been out the grid, stand on this, they got a problem with me. I tryna show you the world, that was fair, but you made a fool out of me. The second thing is everything on and showing you how like it's supposed to sound. You wanna clear up my feelings, then I move on, and that's the problem with me. Man, cause I move to a bitch that you got problems with, ain't no problem with me. Usually I pop my shit, but lately I feel like they been following me. I've been out the grid, stand on this, they got a problem with me. I tryna show you the world, diamonds and pearls, but you made a fool out of me. Niggas in your inbox and you hitting the back, but you needed space from me, I don't get you at all, I don't feel you at all. I was the one you supposed to be loving, but I ain't feel it at all. And the third thing is gonna be the soloing. So we solo everything out and we play everything by itself. So I play the main vocals with the side chain by itself. You wanna play up my feelings, then I move on, and that's the problem with me. Man, cause I move to a bitch that you got problems with, ain't no problem with me. Usually I pop my shit, but lately I feel like they been following me. I been out the grid, stand on bitch, they got a problem with me. I tryna show you the world, diamonds and pearls, but you made a fool out of me. Niggas in your inbox and you hitting the back, but you needed space from me, I don't get you at all, I don't feel you at all. I was the one you supposed to be loving, but I ain't feel it at all. And I play the layer preset by itself just to show it how it sounds alone, basically, right? And you wanna feel my feelings, then I move on. That's the problem with me. Makes I move to a bitch that you got problems with. You got problems with my shit, but lately I feel like they been following me. Then boom, that's the preset and the end of the video. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to go down in the description to my Patreon, bro. Please support. There's a lot of cheap and efficient plugins and presets are gonna be posted on there real soon, trust. So make sure y'all click for that sauce. Yeah, that's it.